Good morning. Do you have a cat print t-shirt?
Good morning. Yes, we do. What's your size?
Medium, please.
If the t-shirt is for you, I recommend your small size, like a small.
Sorry, but I don't want this minor size. I want the t-shirt to be oversized.
Okay, in that case, is your t-shirt? Do you want to try it on?
No thanks. How much?
100. 100. Cash or credit card?
Card credit, please.
Thanks you for shopping with us. Come again, son.
I'm looking for a t-shirt sometimes in small. The t-shirt in color red and the pants in black.
Come with me. Here we have some t-shirts, and next to the t-shirts, we have the pants if you want to see them.
Excuse me, are you sure you have red t-shirt in the small size? I'm scared for it, but I can't see.
Sorry, but we don't have a red one t-shirt in small size, but we have a green one.
I'll take it. What are the fitting room?
The fitting rooms are behind the counter.
Thanks. How much is this?
$300, but the t-shirt is on discount, so it would be $250. Cash or credit card?
Credit card.
Thank you for your purchase. Come again soon.